Hi, I'm Kobe with Synergy Graphics, and today we're going to review a product from Arlon called their SLX Plus. It's a printable wrap film that we've really fallen in love with.
Synergy Graphic for a couple weeks now, so they focused on they focused more with Arlon. So I like that the initial tack's a little bit lower than Avery, so it allows me to adjust the film a little bit more. It doesn't have a lot of the static that a bunch of other wrap films have. Arlon is a little bit better with heat. You still don't want to use a lot of it, but in terms of just to play with it, and to move it where you need it to, you can apply a little bit of heat and it works a lot better than Avery. The only thing that a little bit easier for me to get used to, or a problem that I have, is the initial tack, where it's not as strong or aggressive as some of the other films. I have to use magnets. So that's the only downside, but at the same time, that's what allows me to move the material wherever I want, and it doesn't pick up a lot of the particles that are in the air.
I think it's a great product because it allows you to squeegee, lay it down really easy. It's very smooth, really easy to work with. It has great flight technology, which is the ability to lay it down with low initial tack and then readjust. It does really great around corners and around curves. It's a cast material, and the air egress in it is really great as well. So overall, I think the SLX Plus is a great product to work with. It's very easy to use. It has great quality. The gloss on it is beautiful, and I love working with it.
I think Arlon really took it to the next level. And so how they did that is they made the adhesive topographical. And so that adhesive is many, many different layers, heights, angles, and what that did is it matted out the adhesive. And what do we know about matte stuff? Is stuff that has a matte finish, has more air in it, it's more porous, and stuff doesn't stick to it. So they said, well, what if we made an adhesive that was matte? I think it's just a fantastic idea, just so it can slide across that car. So when I start a panel, it doesn't stick until I tell it to. So it really is all about that control. So because it doesn't stick, we don't have to wrap super fast anymore. I would say SLX is kind of our day-to-day because I've gotten faster with it. I can cut down my time, 10 minutes a panel. 10 minutes on 12 panels is 120 minutes, and I've just got 2 more hours to my day.
One of the things that I really like about it that a lot of companies don't take into consideration when they're using a film is how well is this product going to remove off the vehicle. We've had awesome luck with the SLX series in removing wraps. It's not leaving any glue behind, it's not damaging any paint. Those are really key features that a lot of shops forget about. The only thing with SLX Plus and the SLX series that would be a drawback for me is it doesn't print and cut as well as other brands. So if you're printing and cutting a decal with lots of little text, it's a little tricky to weed and separate the part that cut from uncut, and it's not a big deal. We still do it. It just takes a little bit more time and a little bit more patience. But overall, we love this product. It's our go-to product right now, and we've had great success with it. At Synergy Graphics, we're here to help you amplify your image.